Everyone, so today we're going to be looking at something called IDLE, and it's pretty similar to PyCharm. Like, you can write like Python codes on it and etc. So here we go. Okay, so today, as you can see, we're not going to be doing a program. So today instead I wanted to introduce you to IDLE. So IDLE is basically pretty similar to PyCharm. So basically here I can write like my code, and it's basically in Python. So this is how it looks like fresh, like I just opened a new one. So now if I want, I can like write print hi, and then when I press enter, I get hi as my result. Or for example, if I wanted to make an input statement saying input, please enter some numbers. So please enter some numbers, so I can say 787878. So basically it works like our normal PyCharm. And then if I say print a, we get the expected result 787878. Then if conditions work in this, so if I say if, then it turns orange. But right now we're not going to be looking at an if condition. So basically if I, for example, if I show you like this program that I've written. So basically this is the game. So it's basically a dice game, so it's basically like a guessing, it's not a guessing game, it's like luck game. So for example, when I run it, so I'm gonna go here, run module, and then here I get please enter your name player 1. So if Anvita is player 1 and Lily is player 2, so press enter to roll the dice again. Anvita, your dice got the number 6, so your score is up till now 6. Lily, your dice got number 1, so your score up till now is number 1. So it looks like I'm winning right now. Then I got number 6, so now I have 12. And Lily got dice to 4, so now she has 5. So as you can see, it's basically adding. So now I got 1 and Lily got 2, so now we're on 13 and 7. Then, so next I got it to 4 and my score up till now is 17 and Lily got it to 10. Then I got it to 21 and she got it to 11. And then I won because I got the most number. So basically it's like a luck game. So I started off with a pretty good number, 6, and then I just got another 6, a 1, a 4, and a 4. So I basically added up all those and I got 21. And then Lily on the other hand got 1, 4, 2, 3, and 1, which added up to 11. So, and she got like 10 less than me, so she lost. So that's basically how you run. So basically you go up here, run module, and then you get like program running. And then if I close it before I've actually done anything on it, it says your program is still running, do you want to kill it? So I say okay. It doesn't do anything. Basically like just closes away that specific little tab that opens up when you try to run it.